Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a look at what many consider the best curtain rail ceiling mount, the UrbanRed Flexible Bendable Ceiling Curtain Track. If you're looking for a simple, durable, and flexible solution for your curtains or room divider, this is the product for you. This curtain track system stands out because of its versatility and ease of installation. Whether you're dealing with straight walls or complex curves, this track system can adapt to your space, making it perfect for any room layout. The best part? You don't need any special tools to install it, just a fine-tooth hacksaw to trim it to size, and the included snap-on ceiling brackets make the mounting process quick and easy. Made from durable PVC plastic, the track can bend and twist without cracking, so you can shape it to fit your window or divider needs. The material itself is both lightweight and strong, meaning it won't sag under the weight of your curtains. In fact, it can hold up to 15 kilograms, so you can hang even heavier curtains without worrying about the track giving out. The UrbanRed curtain track comes with everything you need to get started. In the package, you'll find a 16.4-foot track, 40 track rollers, 40 iron curtain hooks, 15 snap-on ceiling brackets, and 4 end covers. It's all here for a seamless installation experience. And if you need to create a larger layout, you can easily connect additional tracks or trim the track to match your specific measurements. This system isn't just for windows. It's ideal for creating room dividers or adding a unique touch to your RV. The track can be installed in a variety of locations, giving you ultimate flexibility. Whether you want to separate spaces in your home or just want a new curtain rail, this product delivers on all fronts. The installation is as easy as pie, thanks to the helpful video instructions. Once the track is in place, the curtain will glide smoothly across it, thanks to the well-designed rollers that allow for a quiet and effortless operation. So if you're looking for a ceiling-mounted curtain track that offers flexibility, durability, and easy installation, the UrbanRed Flexible Bendable Ceiling Curtain Track is the perfect choice. It's designed to give you a hassle-free experience and fits seamlessly into any room design. Make sure to check out this versatile curtain rail system for your next home project.